Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Sunday. A day of rest for most people. I'm going to get right to it. Last night we were in Panama where I prepared sancocho, which is a traditional hearty meat and vegetable stew. There's a lot more information in the recipe if you download it. Yeah, it was good. Fortunately, it was a cool weather here in Sutter County, California, last evening. So, yeah, it was good. I did make one substitution, what's in the notes, that I used sweet potato instead of yams. So, yeah, it was good though. I cooked it a little long. Be careful of the times in the recipe. Yeah. You'll know it when you see it. Tonight is Sunday dinner with Robin. This last week, I gave her multiple choices to include the recipe library that I have. She chose taco salad. Now, I have made this several times over the years. This is always a crowd pleaser, and it's very simple. You can doctor it, you can play with it, you can do whatever you want with it, add things, substitute things. You can have fun with it. All right, let's get to it. Other than many bowls, this is all I need. Saute pan, that's it. And that's for the hamburger. So we're going to get right into it. Software, ground beef, kosher salt, black pepper. I add garlic to the beef, some oil for the pan, my taco seasoning, some fresh salsa. There you go, salsa. I have a couple more blends out, fajita seasoning and my Southwest Blaze chili seasoning. The dressing is salsa, sour cream, some type of seasoning or blend, and lime juice. It's really good. The rest of the software, I'm using a red leaf lettuce. It looked good in the store. I'll probably add probably go get some fresh cilantro. I have a little bit in the cold box. That's why the jar of dried is out. Green onions, black beans, corn, avocado, tomato. I splurged and got some Mexican-style blend cheese, shredded. And unlike the recipe, I use good old regular chips out of a bag. Yeah, I love I love rounds for like salsa and whatnot. So yeah, I skipped the step of frying tortilla strips. I go straight to the bag. It just makes things life easier. So here's all the software for tonight's taco salad. And being Sunday, don't forget all of the recipes from last week, just this past week, get put up on the website. That's casualchef.us or casualchefcreations.com. So there it is. So on this Sunday, have a great day, eat great food, and as always, my friends, have fun cooking.